After months of leaks and rumors, the most anticipated Samsung Galaxy S21 FE is finally here. The South Korean tech giant unveiled this fan edition at CES 2022. As the product is relatively new, it is tough to find accessories that go well with your fan edition. But don't worry, if you're looking for some new accessories like a case, glass protector, and more for your S21 FE, we are here to back you up. In today's video, we have listed the 5 must-have S21 FE accessories, which will help you to complete your fan edition. Juice up your new Samsung Galaxy S21 FE with the Anker 25-watt PD charger, which features compatibility and portability to provide an awesome fast charging experience. The charger comes with a 25-watt output to give your S21 FE full charge just in 1 hour. It is also equipped with PowerIQ 3.0 technology, which will deliver optimized charging no matter where you are. You can also charge your other USB-C gadgets with this charger, and it's compatible with all Samsung devices. It also comes with a programmable power supply to support Samsung's super fast charging. With Anker's multi-protect safety system, it will protect your S21 FE from overcharging, over temperature, current regulation, and more while charging. You can also fold away the charging prongs for simpler storage and enhanced portability. Overall, to charge your S21 FE in less than an hour, the Anker 25-watt PD charger will provide enough juice with its latest technology. Protect your S21 FE screen with an All-XR screen protector, which is ultra clear and strong enough to shield your device from any kind of damages. With a 9H rating, the screen protector is extremely scratch and shatter resistant. With 0.27mm thickness, it ensures fluent finger motion and retains the touch sensitivity of your phone's screen. The protector is also 100% transparent, which will provide invisible protection without decreasing the sharpness or brightness of your phone's display. It also comes with oleophobic dirt and grease-resistant coating for anti-fingerprint marks. It also comes with a bubble-free installation kit, which includes the cleaning cloth, dust-removable sticker, and wet wipe to ensure a bubble and dust-free installation. In general, for enhanced protection, touch sensitivity, the All-XR screen protector should be the one to perfectly fit on your S21 FE screen. Accidentally dropping your phone might cause serious damage. To prevent it, the Touch wallet case will protect your Galaxy S21 FE with style. The wallet case is made of premium selected PU leather, providing you a comfortable hand feeling and a superb impression. With the durable soft TPU full-body inner shell, your S21 FE is protected from drops and bumps damage. It also comes with 3 card slots and 1 money pocket, which will help you to carry your credit cards and cash without having to take your wallet with you. The case also comes with a magnetic flap to keep it closed and protected. You can also use the case as a kickstand while watching movies or video chatting. With RFID blocking technology, the case will effectively shield the signals and keep your personal information safe. All in all, to carry your credit cards and cash while protecting your S21 FE, the Touch wallet case is an outstanding product you must have. Get the charge you need with the Wireless Charger Duo, which will simultaneously power up your favorite pair of devices. Juice up your Samsung S21 FE wirelessly thanks to its up to 9 watt of fast charging support. You can also charge multiple devices to enjoy together, whether that's your phone and earbuds or watch. The Wireless Charger Duo is also compatible with a wide range of devices. To charge your devices, you just have to place them on the charger, and they will be ready for the next day. With an interior magnet on the right side, which ensures the bud and watch fits snugly into place as you set it down. You can also charge your phone while it's protected, so you don't have to take off the case. With LED lights, the charger will change color to show your device is charging without interrupting your sleep. The battery is also compatible with USB PD and adaptive fast charging travel adapters for an easy and simple charge. Altogether, to charge your Galaxy S21 FE wirelessly with your other favorite device, the Wireless Charger Duo should look good on your desk. Feel your music and tune out the noise with Samsung Galaxy Buds 2, which will take your passion for music to new heights with excellent sound quality. The Buds 2 comes with an ANC system, which will block unwanted sound, helping you keep your focus on whatever you're listening to. It also comes with low latency ambient sound mode, which picks up the sounds you want to hear, so you always have the perfect audio level for every moment. The Buds 2 also comes with a comfortable low-profile design, which is 10% smaller and lighter than Galaxy Buds Pro. With 3 microphones and noise reduction technology, The buds ensure a crisp and clear voice while you're talking with a friend. It also comes with touch control, letting you play or pause your music, answering calls just with one tap. The battery of the Buds 2 will offer up to 5 hours of playtime with ANC mode on, and up to 3.5 hours of talk time. For the most part, you'll get outstanding sound quality, ANC system, and perfect battery life, making the Galaxy Buds 2 a top-tier gadget you must have for your Galaxy S21 FE. So that was all about the top 5 must-have S21 FE accessories just for you. Which one do you want to buy for your Galaxy S21 FE? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.